Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about makeup, my go-to makeup look, the easiest way I do makeup, and also I will share some tips and tricks. So watch the video full and enjoy the tips and tricks of makeup, and also get to know about many brands. This video will help you to do makeup by your own, because whenever we're going out, and what all things we need to look fresh and good, that is all about this video. And one more thing is here, that is every time whenever I go out, I do apply moisturizer before applying any makeup, and if it is daytime, then after applying moisturizer I do apply sunscreen. So here, as now I'm making the video for outing, evening outing, so I have applied moisturizer, eye gel and lip gel. You can use any brand you're comfortable with, and whatever brand suits your skin, you can go for those. And I have shared my products what I use regularly in the description box below. You can check them too. So let's start with the makeup. So as I have done with the moisturizing and all, I'm not gonna show that steps. I will go straight with the foundation. So for the foundation, I will use Revlon foundation, Touch and Glow Revlon. This foundation I'm gonna use, and you just need very little for this, because it's a very thin foundation, and as you guys know that I don't like thick foundation and thick makeup, so this one is perfect. Even if you guys are also looking for a light makeup, then you can definitely go for this beautiful Revlon Touch and Glow foundation. I'm starting with the under eye. And one more thing, I don't use much concealer. And if you can work with the foundation, you also don't need the concealer thing much. For go-to makeup, obviously not. Just follow the procedure so that you guys can do it by your own. I'm just tapping, I'm just putting the dots of the foundation, and I will blend it. And I do use my fingers to blend, so this time also I will use my finger. Revlon Touch and Glow foundation is very thin, and it blends very nicely. You guys see that very quickly it blends in the skin, and gives a very beautiful skin and perfect glow, you can say. After the foundation, I will go with the Simply Pretty Avon Press Powder, and you can call it as compact powder, and I will apply it under the eye. Some here. Some here. The areas you have patches, you can apply this compact powder or pressed powder, and see the result. It is excellent. Now I will go for the contour. For the contour, I'm gonna use Sugar Cosmetics. Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. The shade is 02 Woody Wonder. See, I do use it a lot, and you guys know this. Seeing this one only, you'll be able to understand. Let's finish it now. Contour is a magic, and it helps you to shape your face. Like this, you can shape your face. My nose, I don't do much shape, but you can see before and after there is a change, and it is giving my face a definition, right? Now I will go for the jawline and cheek. The same shade I'm using. Getting the shape right. I love doing contour, and I remember when I first did it, I was surprised seeing the magic. Before using contour and after using contour, there is a lot change in the look and the makeup. Alright, so I'm done with the contour, and I will go for the eye makeup. And as it is a go-to look, I will keep my eyes as much normal, as much light as possible, and it will give the no makeup look too. For the eye, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, this one. I'm using this shade. The brush I'm using, it is my Clam Eye Tappert Blender brush. This brush is very good, and it gives very good shape to your eyes, and it's better than the flat brushes for sure. Now I will use this set. Very little. I will do a bit highlight here. and I will use this shade. I will close the eye makeup with the mascara. For that I'm using Ultra Lash Mascara Color Sense, but I won't recommend you guys to use this mascara because this is one of my wrong choice to buy. This mascara is not that great, and as I bought it, so I'm applying it, and I won't recommend this particular product to you guys, and I'm not giving the link of this product to you. Its smell is very bad, first of all. The second thing is the mascara sticks, so I am not comfortable with it. I don't think you guys will also be comfortable with it. This mascara is definitely very bad now. Definitely a very wrong choice of mine. I mean, it's a wrong product for me. And the brand needs to work on their scent. Don't give any essence, but this essence is so bad. And see, it sticks. That's the thing I don't like about this mascara. I really don't like it, but I have bought it now, so I am using it. But at the same time, I don't want you guys to suffer buying this one. I'm done with the eye makeup. Now I will go for the blush. For blush, I'm using My Glam Pause HD Highlighter Duo. It has two shades, Rose Gold and Champagne. And I will use the Rose Gold for blush, and this Champagne for the highlight. This product is very good. It's really very good. I loved this one. First time when I used it, I was like, wow. And it's like very good one, and highly recommend to you guys. It will give you like salon like look with a very mild touch. See, just use this and the glow is here. And for the highlighter, I'm using the Champagne shade. This one is very good. I'm putting a bit here too, highlighter. Some here. And some here. Here a bit. I'm done. I'm done with almost everything. Isn't it very easy? Now I will just apply a lipstick and that's it. All the product link I have shared, only the mascara I did not, because I myself didn't like it, so I don't think you guys will also be compatible with that particular product. But without this, I have shared all the product links in my description box below. You can have a look and you can definitely go and buy from there. Now finally, the time for lipstick, and I'm using Lakme 95. This is also very good and smells very good. I'm done with the makeup. Now just adjust my hair a bit and will wear earring, and then I'm done. Earrings. These earrings I bought from handicap fair. Cute, right? I bought them when I was in college, and still now I'm wearing them. Isn't it cool? This is all about my go-to makeup look. I do follow these all steps almost every day whenever I need makeup, and the shades only I change, otherwise everything is same. Shade I do change because with the dress color and the dress type, accessories, I need to work on the lighter shade, deeper shade and the shades. That's why I do change the shades. Otherwise all steps are same, and I know from now the makeup is more easier for you guys too. And stay with me for such more interesting videos and the makeup ideas, fashion ideas, and watch my other videos too if you have missed. I'm leaving today and will be back soon, really. So bye, see you guys soon.